60mm ones, just a little bit smaller. Again, we have those 4 pieces. We have the diffuser, which is going to be the last step. Always white sides are going to be up. We're going to make sure the smaller parts are toward us. We're going to put those 3 snaps in place. 1, 2, and then a third little snap that's going to snap into place. Again, the smaller part toward us. 1, 2, 3. Last piece here. They will make it. Zamir makes this for your particular camera flash setup, so you let him know. We will provide the links for the 60 and the 90mm, and then just a overall link if you have an additional setup. But you tell him like basically what flash you have, what lens you have, what camera you have, and they're kind of custom made for this. So really easy to be able to assemble that beautiful soft light flash going on in here. So go out and find and photograph some insects today.